Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Revolut. Let's get into it. First, open up your Revolut application, log into your account. So once you have already logged into your account, what you're going to do now here is go to the transfer tab here next to your home tab. You will see a transfer tab. So click on transfer tab, and then here what you're going to do is you're going to click on the top right, click the new option, and then choose bank recipient. All right, so click on bank recipient, and then here what you're going to do is you're going to just plug into your bank account details. So plug in your currency, your account number, and your name, and all of this, all your account or your account details. And once you are done with that, just click on add recipient and then withdraw the amount that you want to withdraw. So click that in and then process the transaction. So by doing that, what will happen is you will be withdrawing your money to your bank account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.